M'a fait légumes, m'a fait lancement avec papaye, militon, bergène, cabbage, which is chou, carrots, which is carrot. Mashed spinach, qui tout frozen instead of buying the fresh ones. I don't know why. And mixes a beef. I don't know which part of the beef that is. I don't know. Macaroni facile. Bam. And shrimp, crab. On nettoie ensemble avec citron, sel. And that's pretty much it for the first part. Now mettez dans sel à citron. It's more than 20 minutes. So yep, and balanceli, some people they shouldn't, but it's just you don't have to. It's up to you. It's optional. Bam. And Monte Carlo, muito bem tu pulso yo. And the process. Une petite charge de l'eau ça pour un petit temps. Et puis I'm going to put the legume stuff and cut to might give the meat color and all that. That'll be it for the legume to be survived. Okay, you make it 1.5 cup water. Okay, you put qui va être l'eau, okay? Don't listen to me. So me, I put 2 cup water because those militants they love making their own water, which is I hate that. That's why I put papaya. That's the main reason that I put it. But some of them put papaya just because they don't have a lot of take everything out, the meat, and now I'm just gonna send that on the and stuff. Okay, meti pou mi vin la, mwen meti pat tomat, mwen poule, met bet, meti la kuy la jan, kokoye, e soufle, son choy. Mwen yon yalan bal vide regim nan la.